Hello guys, and welcome back to our next lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at how to link our various menu links to their respective sections. For instance, if I were to click on portfolio, it should take me to the portfolio section right here. And if I were to click on pricing, it should take me to the pricing section. But for now, we only have the links, but when we click, it's not going to take us to the various sections. Let me go ahead and preview my website. Let's see what I'm talking about. Now, if I click in here, it's not going to take me to any of the sections. As you can see, the links are not working right now. Remember in lesson 5, I showed you how we can add the various menu links when we're customizing our website. Now, let's actually go ahead and add the various anchors so that anytime a user clicks on any of the menu links, it should take them to the particular section. So if you want to learn how to add anchor links to your menu links, you can go ahead and check lesson 5 of this course. So going back to my Elementor editor, the first one I have here is portfolio. So what I need to do is scroll to the portfolio section, which I have right here. So what I do is I come over to search widget, then I search for anchor, and I have menu anchor. What I do is I just click on it, then I drag it and place it on top of my title right here. Upon releasing it, I now have this new panel that is edit menu anchor. Under content, we have menu anchor. In here, I just go ahead and enter my anchor ID. And the anchor ID for portfolio is just the word portfolio in small letters. If I hover on portfolio link right here, at the bottom left hand corner, you see the actual link. And that is where we have /# portfolio. So here, I only go ahead and enter portfolio. Now, if I go ahead and publish, then I go over to the front end. Now, if users come here and click on portfolio, it should now direct them to the particular portfolio section. Isn't this cool? So now let's go ahead and do for our process and pricing. So going back to my Elementor editor, next is process, which I have on top here. So I just go to add element, then I search for anchor. I have menu anchor here. I just drag it and place it on top right here. Now, if I hover on our process, the menu anchor link is process. So I'll just go ahead and enter in process. Take note, the ID is not going to be unique. Whatever you are going to be entering here will depend upon what you specified earlier when you were creating your menu links. Perfect. And finally, we have pricing, which is set to pricing as the anchor link. So I have my pricing here. I go over to add element, then I search for anchor. I have menu anchor here. I just drag it, place it here. Menu anchor ID is going to be pricing. Now I can publish. And if I go to the front end, then I choose portfolio. It should take me to the portfolio section. Our process should take me to the process section, and final pricing, it should take me to the pricing section. Perfect. Remember, we also have frequently asked questions section. You can equally add a frequently asked questions menu link, then you go ahead and link it to the section. I'm not going to do that for this tutorial. So that's it on how we can add anchor links to our website. In the meantime, you can stick around to watch the next lesson on your screen right now. Or you can also go ahead and check the complete playlist to the entire course. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.